Initializing cohomology. Dimensional signature identified.
Sorry, man. I'm going home. I made it. I'm home.